everyone! Welcome back to my channel RealmO'Games. Today let's explore how to play this fun and easy to learn game called Stack a Snack from the brand called RealmO'Games. It's a light strategy and stacking challenge where your goal is to collect the snack blocks to build your own snack tower. This game blends strategy and luck and can be played by 2 to 4 players. It's suitable for ages 4 and above and hence perfect to play with your family, friends or kids. Now it's time to move to the game details. Let's go.
Shuffle all cards and place them face down at the center to form the draw pile. Each player chooses one snack stack card which shows the stack they must build. This card may be kept hidden for added challenge. The player whose birthday is coming next starts and the play continues clockwise. On a player's turn, draw the top card from the draw pile. If it is a snack card, take the matching snack block and keep it. If the first card drawn is a special card, return it to the draw pile and draw again. This way, players continue drawing cards and collecting blocks. There's a limit to how many blocks each player may hold. If a player is at the limit and draws another block, they must either discard it or keep it. If kept, one card and its matching block from the player's collection must be returned. Here, the player has to return one block. As for 3 players, it's maximum 8 blocks. Discarded cards form a discard pile. Whenever the draw pile runs out, shuffle the discard pile to form a new draw pile. There are 3 special cards which are played immediately and then discarded. If a donor card is picked, the player has to give one snack block and its matching card to another player. Players may choose to give the blocks not required for their stack. This allows the player to steal one snack block and its matching card from another player to help complete their snack stack. Trade a special card helps the player trade one snack block and its matching card with another player for a block needed for their stack. If a player receives a block through a donor card while already at the limit, they must discard one block and its matching card. Since players may collect cards that are not needed for their stack, these unwanted cards can be discarded through special cards, that is donor or trader, or when a player exceeds a card limit, allowing them to make the room for the cards they actually need. After collecting the bottommost snack block, and the blocks must be stacked in the correct order. Once all required blocks are collected, the player has 30 seconds to build and keep the stack standing. If the stack falls or time runs out, the play continues. The first player to complete their stack correctly and keep it standing wins. There is also winning requirement as per the player count. There is also a travel version for this game which uses only cards and no blocks. The first player to collect all required cards for their stack wins.
And that's how we play Stack a Snack, a simple game that brings a lot of fun and strategy to the table. It comes in a big box with good quality components, and the good part is it even includes a travel version. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to show some love through liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more fun games. Happy gaming folks, goodbye.